Welcome back. The first thing we'll do is to create the inner binding, and this is just going to make the book a little bit more secure and also make the 4-hole sewing a lot easier for you. So butt up the 2 edges of the book, wrap 2 pieces of scrap paper, just copier paper, and place the binder clips on the edge. Push them further enough in so that they don't interfere with the template when you put it on, and this scrap paper will just protect the book from dirty marks. I like to place a piece of wood underneath so I don't poke holes in my mat. Just prick the holes through the template onto the first couple pages with your heavy duty awl. Then you'll remove the template and use the awl to push through all the layers. Remember to go down at a 90-degree angle perpendicular to the page so that your sewing hole doesn't come in at an angle. It'll make the sewing a lot more difficult. Once you've punched through from one side, flip it over and then just push through from the other to make sure the holes are nice and even. Now we're going to cut some very narrow pieces of Tyvek. It's approximately 1/8 of an inch with a sharp knife and a metal ruler. Going to cut the tip to a triangle so that it's easier to thread the tapestry needle. Move the blade out of the way, don't want to cut yourself. Thread your tapestry needle with the piece of Tyvek, then just sew a single stitch coming up through the back of your book. Do a flat stitch on the front, try not to twist the Tyvek. Remove the tapestry needle and then tie a square knot. The Tyvek is strong, so you can pull fairly tightly to create a secure knot. You're going to trim up the ends, and then in traditional Japanese binding they actually use twisted paper, but I really like to use Tyvek because it's nice and strong. Just push down that knot, repeat on the other side, and then we'll do the outer binding.